What's going on, everybody? Show 5044 here, bringing you yet again another vlog. So we just put a leveling kit on the Silverado a couple weeks ago, and he actually ordered this before the leveling kit, but because it took so long for them to make, probably due to COVID and everything, the exhaust just got here, so we're doing the exhaust today. I'm ready for this Prius to start sounding like a real truck.
I was gonna say we could do it before, but you're not gonna hear it.
I was thinking that too. I was like, you know what? We got to do it before, and I'm like, it sounds like nothing.
There's
so
literally no point.
There's no sound.
Just saying.
This is Stainless Works Performance Connect.
No, this is Factory Connect. But when I talk to them, this is the only difference between Factory and Performance Connect. Factory Connect or Performance Connect doesn't have this because instead on those you have your Y pipe coming off your header. Well, wouldn't really be a Y pipe at that point. We'd have your header pipes coming off here.
Oh yeah.
And where these connect up to, your header pipes will connect up there. So if you order right now what I did is I ordered the Factory Connect so I can run it with my factory manifolds. Then once I get the headers, I get the Performance Connect ones, I just take this out and I put the header pipes back there.
So yeah, this will work.
Pipes, I guess.
This is only a catback, but then once he goes headers, it can be true duals.
Which, I mean, there's a lot of parts here.
Holy cow, no kidding.
But, which, you can see straight through them too. These aren't the chambered ones like goes on the Trailblazer. These are the S2 ones.
Oh yeah. So yeah, here's the Silverado. So far he's done wheels and a leveling kit. And now we're finally doing an exhaust. So here, obviously, everyone and their mom probably knows what a stock Chevy exhaust looks like.
Definitely take that. Having to work on exhaust in general just sucks. It's not really good point to try on here.
You sprayed already?
Yeah. See if you can pull it while I fry it. There it goes. There. That's on. Fresh blade. Oh, well that's stupid. I just realized there's a rod. I just realized this rod connects these two hangers. So literally, we'll have to cut that rod.
Oh my
too.
god.
That was dumb.
That's really dumb. What the frick?
I just never seen it before. Wow, that's okay.
Wow, yeah. We cut the exhaust right there, and I mean, you can take the hanger off. Oh wait, no you can't. What the frick?
I think it's free. It's a cat too. That's a good header.
You got 3 cats?
Yeah, that's a cat.
I figured. My show had 3 cats too. Oh, there it goes. It's off. I can hold this side up for you to move.
Yeah, okay, hold on. Lift it up.
You're good over here now.
There's one.
So with the Stainless Works kit, you gotta reuse the factory. If you don't have any
I'm gonna get a
exhaust
new one.
up front, reuse the factory Y pipe clamp.
You know, we could have just cut that off, but you know, I didn't feel like it. Yeah, it's not.
And now, to offend someone, the junk is off. So because this one's a little rusty, he just cut the middle of it to get it off. Now we gotta get this
apart.
Wow, that is.
Yeah, see why that wasn't coming out?
Holy cow.
I don't even know what size this is. I tried sticking a socket and I'm like, that's not gonna work.
Jeez.
Out with the old junk.
Cool.
Just to bug that guy.
Got it.
Gotta find some bolts.
Put it in the vise and slap it with a hammer. Finding a bolt there, guy?
Looking for a nut now. Just like that. Sick, buddy.
So, this comes for a crew cab long box.
Yeah.
And they said if you have to, gotta cut it 9.5 inches. Cut what though? Anywhere?
Right here.
That one?
Yeah. Mine is. By cutting 9.5 inches off the outlet rear end of the 2 muffler inlets. So it'd be
That one.
it'd be this part here. So 9.5 inches off this. Why? Who knows, to make it fit? It's like I gotta move that.
I was gonna say you're gonna hit that. Well, maybe not.
Yeah.
Once it goes through and you shoot down, you might.
Stuff's freaking hard.
Alright, so we ended up cutting both left and right pipes, and now he's getting
I'm trying
this
to
all.
this stupid clamp because we don't have the right one and yada yada yada. And it's stuck right now. Being a massive pain.
I think that looks more corrector.
Yeah, it looks better, I think. Give me a muffler. Kayla missed out on what was said last night.
So, alright, so real quick here. We spent like an hour messing with these pipes because they have to, as you can see, as I'm gonna zoom in, they have to split each way.
We couldn't figure out which way
So
to
that,
go.
yeah, we had to mess with them to get them to split so that these mufflers didn't touch. But now we're putting the finishing pieces on.
I think I really put that in the difficult way, but it worked.
Okay, I gotta set this down. Whoa! Alright, so yeah.
You ever heard that?
We've got it on down there,
So it goes.
coming all the way up here, going back over the axle, going out to the end here. Good grief. I've been under there for an hour and a half. It's now dark. I was under there when it was light. What's my back look like? I can't tell. Oh man. Well, whatever. I'll worry about that when we're done. Alright guys, it's tip time. I'm just gonna bring this whole bag over here, because why not?
Dude, they look good, don't they?
I haven't opened them yet. Want me to slam them on the ground, right?
You slam that on the ground, I'm gonna slam it through the windshield of your truck. They're heavy too, aren't they? Like, they feel stout. Oh, dude, those look so sick. The exhaust is gonna come down, like adjustment wise, but like, oh, it looks so sick. That is bad. Give me the other tip.
Here, look at Power Stroke now.
No. Power stroke? Theirs is literally a slash cut tip like factory.
I know, I saw. It's hilarious. I don't know why they do that.
Dude, literally it splits right here too.
I know.
You can see
It's
the
the
line.
tip.
It's so stupid looking. How's it look?
Good. I just feel like if they're not touching. Just kidding.
No, they're not touching.
You want them? Obviously, you're gonna want them staggered like that, right?
Well, yeah, because
You know what? I think they need to come out more.
I think so too.
Can't even see them.
We already resided the whole house.
That does look better right there.
Yeah, I think that looks good right there.
Yeah, I mean, you got to be able to see them.
Yeah.
Like, well.
Well, you'll be able to hear them.
I feel like it would. Well, maybe not because your bumper still hides them. I was gonna say maybe it would look more like they're out more without a mud flat, but your bumper still hides it.
Yeah.
But
I think that looks pretty good. It's subtle.
all right, everything's tight. Let me do a.
Let me get Kayla ice and wash my hands.
I'm gonna do a roll under. Oh, let's see here. So we got tips all the way back over axle. all the way down to the Y pipe with the cat on it. So we're gonna get this started up here and go for a drive.
Okay, hold on. Let me get my phone out.
You ready? This truck's not gonna sound like a hybrid anymore. Got a rumble to her.
Sounds like thumpy.
Kinda, yeah.
Give it a small rod.
Hit the gas a little bit. Ooh. It's not as loud as I thought it was gonna be.
Well, wait, it's got not remote either.
Oh yeah, but still.
Wait, Helen.
All right, go ahead. We're gonna check for leaks.
Don't run me over, please. No leaks.
Perfect. All right, let's go for a drive. Winders down.
Yeah, it's a lot louder on the remote. Still just as slow.
Got resonance though. I like the resonance.
Sounds faster. It's got a nice, it's got a good truck tone.
Yeah, yeah, it does. Hold on. All right.
Tell me when.
All right, you're good. On the inside, it's got that like, I know you guys can't see me right now. Actually, hold on. On the inside, it's got that like resonance of like, it's almost louder on the inside than it is the outside. And it sounds so good. I miss it from mine. He's gonna do a flyby here. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this exhaust install. It was about time that Ryan put exhaust on the truck, and like I said, he ordered one a while back, but I don't know if it was just due to everything going on this year or what, but it took like 2 months for them to make and ship. But the important thing is he got it now. So the truck sounds really good, and hopefully, I think he's planning on doing headers here soon, but we'll see. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.